Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Today I would like to talk about love energy and how that creates absolute change within people. When you give that love, the whole energy within yourself, like the chemicals and the vibrational energy, changes dramatically. So just imagine that we changed our vibrational love energy around the world just for 1 second. 1 second, just like that, just 1 second around the whole world. How that would create amazing change just for 1 second. If every single person in this world had love in their heart, 100% gratitude towards their neighbor, their friends, their family members, so many things, everything means animals, creatures of every aspect of life. So just imagine that we had this for 1 second. And then what you do, and just imagine if we had that for a lifetime of pure love in the whole universe, the whole world, and every single person. It would change the whole aspect of life. Yes, there is yin and yang, there's negative and positive in this world. But if we give love in a higher level of vibration, this whole world would be in peace and harmony, just continuously. Yeah, I know that's a bit of a dream, but actually it isn't. Because it is possible to love somebody, to love your neighbor, to love the people you do not like. Because that's who they are. Without judgment of who they are, that's love. When you have this in your heart and people around the world create this change, I'm telling you, things would be totally different in this world. So everybody have a great day and create this in your life.